Hello, my name is Joshua Fernandez, and today I am solving intermediate algorithm scripting binary agents. And for this problem, we're given binary code, and each of these sequences is separated by a space. So that means and what we need to do is convert each sequence into a letter. So each of these binary sequences represents a letter, and if we get all the letters put together, we have a sentence. So in order to do this, we're going to have to loop through each binary sequence. And by the way, when I say binary sequence, I'm referring to the binary code, each of the binary code that is separated by spaces. So this is the sequence, this is the sequence. So we're going to loop through each sequence. But first, we're going to create a variable called, or actually first we're going to split our string. And then we're going to create a variable called sentence and set it equal to empty quotes. And the reason why we create a variable sentence so that we can concat all our letters to our variable sentence so that we get an entire sentence. Then we're gonna have a for loop that loops through all these binary sequences. And what we need to do is create a variable called letter, and we're going to take in the binary sequence, we're going to convert it into an integer, and then we're going to convert that integer into a letter. So parse int is going to take in a string, so in this case the binary sequence, and it's going to take in a base number. In this case we're working with base 2 because binary is in base 2. And now we need to convert, we have our integer, we need to convert our integer into a letter. So we're going to use string dot from char code. So this is going to convert our integer into a letter. And once we have our letter, we're just going to concat the letter into our sentence, into our variable sentence. So sentence is equal to sentence dot like that. And now we're just going to return sentence. And let's just console.log our function call. And yep, we have an entire sentence. Aren't bonfires fun? So that was intermediate algorithm scripting binary agents. And there are different ways of solving this problem. I think to make this the better way of solving this problem would be to use map, but I just decided to use a for loop. So that was intermediate algorithm scripting binary agents, and for the next problem I am solving, let's see, intermediate algorithm scripting everything be true. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.